Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make an animated background in a space shooter earning game. So watch this full video. Friends, this is part 4 of this space shooter earning game. If you haven't seen my previous video, then just go to this video description box below and click on link and watch them. Now let's start the video. Before begin, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video you will be updated. And also please give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's get back to the video. In first I have to open Photoshop to make a background. First of all, click on File and click on New. And type here background 1 and its width will be 500 and height will be 800. Click on OK. Now press B for brush tool and change its color. Color will be black. Now resize this brush size. Click here. Yeah, it's good. Change its color. Now I'm gonna make a star here. After making this one picture, click on File and click on Save. And now change its format. Click on Save. Click on OK. Now my one picture is saved. I'm gonna make another picture. Okay, so after making 5 background, open GDevelop software. Look this background. This background is not moving. I'm gonna make an animated background. Click here, add a new object, a sprite, and type here background. Click on add animation, add, and select all background. Click on open. Now turn on this loop and preview this one. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay. Click on OK. Click on apply. Now drag this background on the screen. Type here height and width. Its width will be 500 and height will be 800. Now let's preview it. Click on preview button. Yeah, here we go. You can see it. Background is animated. Okay, so if you haven't seen my previous video, then just go to this video description box below and click on link and watch them. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.